Welcome to experiencing the joy of the journey together. Today we pick up with day number 4, and our focal point today is New Day, New You. Yes, let me repeat that. Today's focal point is New Day, New You. Go with me, if you will, to the book of Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 19. It clearly says it like this: Behold, I will do something new. I really like the way the Message Bible says it. It says it like this: Be alert, be present. I'm about to do something brand new. It's bursting out. Don't you see it? Wow, God wants to do something new in my life. Yes, today God desires to do something new. God wants to burst out in your life with new flavor, new attitudes, new dimensions, new levels of growth, new levels of prosperity. I am so excited today. God desires to do something brand new. But remember, the question is asked: do you see it? Do you perceive it? Are you aware of it? Many times, God is trying to do something new, and our eyes are closed because we're stuck dreaming of the horrors of our past. But today, God desires to do something new. Old things are passed away. See yourself brand new today. Yes, no matter what you've been through, let that be in your past. Today, begin to look at today as a brand new day. No matter what happened to you yesterday, I'm telling you, today God gives you a chance to start afresh, start anew, start declaring each day when you wake up, today is a new day full of new opportunities. Now, we know the enemy does not want you to see yourself walking in the newness of Christ. See, God wants you to walk in newness so you can accomplish something brand new today. The devil, the enemy, Satan, Lucifer, whatever you want to call him, his desire is to kill, steal, and destroy, to keep you stuck in your past. But today, I'm telling you, launch forward into a brand new day. See, we must live each day with a great deal of expectancy. In other words, what I'm telling you today is put everything behind you and expect this day to be the best day of your life. Wake up every day, that same expectation that this day is the best day of my life. Over a period of time, you'll look back over your life and say, wow, look how far the Lord has brought me. We must release our faith daily to see beyond the realities of our past, the realities of our pain. We must wake up, release our faith, and expect God to do something great. Declare with me today as we close out this day. Declare with me today, new day, new me, new possibilities. Again, I say make this declaration: new day, new me, new possibilities. Now give God praise today as you launch into your newness. God bless you.